Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3, module 3 of management and organizational behavior. This week, sorry, my speaker's up for some reason. This week, we're going to be looking at the planning function of management. So the 4 functions of management are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And so we're starting out with planning. So the 2 chapters for this week look at the planning function and also decision making. So an important part of management and organizational behavior is making decisions as well. So task 1 for your discussion board, I'm going to ask you to check the headlines for a business that made a bad decision. And there are a lot of them out there, so unfortunately they're easy to find. And then use specific concepts from Chapter 6 on managerial decision making to explain where the company went wrong. A lot of times people use the steps in the rational decision making model or look at some of the biases or problems that people have when it comes to making decisions to explain. So share those with the class and respond to at least 2 other posts. And then your second assignment, your written assignment, is to conduct a SWOT analysis. So again, you can use the organization that you work in or one you're familiar with. You don't necessarily have to do a lot of research online, but try to identify the strengths and weaknesses that are internal to the organization, strengths they can build upon and weaknesses they need to watch out for. And then look out into the environment, and that's where you find the opportunities and threats. So strengths and weaknesses are internal, opportunities and threats are external. And this is a part of strategic analysis, a way to analyze an organization to figure out strategies for moving forward and try to be successful. So you've got the chapters, the reading for 5 and 6, along with the quizzes and the assignments. So let me know if you have any questions or any problems. You've probably worked your way through the 2-week free MindTap membership, and you'll have to be on your own right now in terms of purchasing either the MindTap Access or Cengage Unlimited. So have a good week. Try to stay warm. It's pretty cold here right now.